Hi everyone, in my previous video I showed you how to make this beautiful basket bottom with V-stitch, and now I show you to continue how to make the basket itself. So we have this bottom, and all you need is to close this row to join the same way as we did before. Pull the loop so it's not so long. And now you have to turn on the other side. You see those two. Wait. You must insert into one and pull through two. So we work into the back loop and back stitch. Make, insert into both, and make one single crochet. Insert into the back loop and back stitch. And continue until the end of this row. It's super easy. Just insert into the back loop and this back horizontal stitch. And continue until the end of this row. I have finished this row, and now I have just to show you how to slip stitch. So now we have here our first V stitch. That is not easy to see, but you can see on the other side there is this horizontal line. So here was our V stitch. It's exactly here, these two. So what we do now, since it's not easy to see, we will already work into it. Split, grab the yarn and leave this loop like we did when we already crocheted this one. But it's not necessary to do later, because when you start the basket it will be already super easy to see, so you can do on spot. You don't have to create this loop beforehand. Now pull this loop on and do all the same as we did here. Now insert your hook into both, and this is your first V stitch that we will work. Then the next one is easy to see, is here. Go split the two yarn and make V stitch, and like that, super easy. You continue as you already did here, and then join as here. I will show you that in the next rows. To see this one, it's easy. So I have finished row 2. Here is the stitch that we have to insert our hook, and this time I show you how to do without making the loop in advance. So maybe when you already start the basket itself, it's faster. So just put the yarn like before. You have this join, pull, so the join is closer. And now you see this V stitch is very visible. You just keep this yarn, can make it even a bit longer, and insert your hook exactly here, split, pull, grab this yarn and make your first V-stitch, because when you start already not the bottom but here, it's easy to see these V-stitches, so you can do directly and continue. And that's it. Continue until you want the height you want, and then I show you how to make the last row. Even though you can keep even all like this, you can make a row of slip stitch if you want to finish, and you can make handles, of course. So my basket is ready. I think this size is already good for this tiny basket, and I'm going to show you how to finish this row, this basket, and the row of slip stitch. So you would now join normal way as you would join any crochet, single crochet row. Just join and make it tighter so you keep the invisible, and just insert your hook, pull, and pull through the loop on the hook. One second. Sorry, just you have joined, then go to the next one and slip stitch. Insert into the next one and pull through the loop on. And it will give a nice finished look to your basket. You can see, and then we just slip stitch here. Just go on until the end of this row. Pull here and here. I have finished the row of slip stitches. You can see that it starts here. It was our first one. And here is where we have the join, and we must make the last slip stitch. So we are making here our last one, and now I slip stitch. So at the point where you had this join, you must have your last slip stitch. Sorry, my yarn. Okay, and now we are going to do the following. If you want, you can cut the small yarn. We go to our first slip stitch, and we are creating the fake chain. So just go under both. You see, we created one chain, and now we must create the second one that looks like that. So now go to the where the yarn goes out, where we had our last slip stitch. So like this, grab and don't pull too much. Like this is our fake one. So you see, you cannot see exactly where the join was done, and now just bring this tail on the other side. Not here, let's do here. Bring on the other side, and then simply weave it. So we have like this, and I think it looks quite neat, and the basket itself is very pretty. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this basket. I'm sure I will upload more videos with different types of baskets that you can use for your daily life. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and see you again next time.